Hey everyone, this is Spanish with Christian by Habla Es. This new video is about how to pronounce consonants. On the previous one, we learned how to pronounce vowels, and this is part of the series Spanish from Scratch. So stay till the end to learn how to pronounce the whole alphabet. Let's start with the letter B. At the start of a word or after an M, it sounds like the B in English, like baby, or the Arabic letter Ba, as in boca, boca, or tambor, tambor. Between the vowels, it sounds softer. Your lips touch lightly without a pop. This sound doesn't exist in English, but it's very close to a soft B. It's still like Ba in the Arabic alphabet, but it's weaker. Example: saber, saber. Doesn't pop. Saber. Let's go with the letter C. C. Before an E or I in Latin America, it sounds like the letter S in sun. In Arabic, it sounds like sin. Example: cielo, cerca. But in Spain, before the E or I, it sounds like TH in English, like thi, as in think, like the Arabic letter tha. Before the A or U, it sounds like a K, ka, ko, ku, as in cat. And it's similar to the Arabic letter kaf. Examples: casa, casa, cosa, cosa. The combination of the letter C and H sounds like chocolate in English. CH, ch, ch. Similar to the Arabic. Examples: chico, chocolate, chocolate. Let's move on to the letter D. D. At the start of a word or after an L, it sounds like the letter D, as in dog in English. And it's similar to the Arabic letter dal. Example: dia, dia. Between the vowels, it comes softer, like the TH in English, as in this. Similar to the Arabic dal. Examples: cada, cada, nada, nada. Letter F, F. Always like in English, F. Example: flor, flor, familia, familia. Letter G, G. Before an E or I, it sounds like an H, but softer. Example: gente, gente. Girar, girar. Before the A or O, it sounds like the letter G in English, as in go. Example: gato, gato, gol, gol. And when we mix the letter G, U, and E, or G, U, and I, it sounds like ge, gi, ge, gi, like guerra, guerra, guitarra, guitarra. But if this letter U has the umlaut dots on top, we're going to pronounce the letter U, like we, as in vergüenza, or pingüino, pingüino. The H is silent in Spanish. There's no English or Arabic equivalent because it is not pronounced, like in hola, hola. Hermano, hermano. Sometimes the letter H sounds like G when it comes after UE or IE, as in huevo, huevo, hielo, hielo. Now the letter J, J. This is our laughing letter. That's why sometimes you see ja, 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 but we don't mean ja, 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 ja. We mean ha, 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 ha. This is our letter for laughing. So it sounds like a stronger version of the English H, as in house. Example: jugar, jugar, jamón, jamón, naranja, naranja. Let's move to the letter K, K. So it's similar to the English letter K or to the Arabic letter Kaf. Examples: kilómetro, kilómetro, koala, koala. Letter L, L, always similar to the L in love, and similar to the Arabic letter lam, luz, luz, largo, largo. But be careful when it's at the end. We don't roll our tongue. It keeps at the front, like catedral, catedral. Double L or A. In most of Latin America, it sounds like a Y, like in yes. Similar to the Arabic letter Ya, like llave, or lluvia, lluvia. There are some regions in South America when it's pronounced a little bit different, like llave, lluvia. Or in Argentina and Uruguay, it sounds like llave, lluvia. All are correct. Llave, llave, llave. Llave, llave, llave. M, M. Like in English, M in mother. Same as Arabic letter mem, mano, mano, mujer, mujer. Letter N, N. Like in English N, in nice. Same as Arabic nun, nube, nube, nunca, nunca. When it's between a word, it sounds a little more nasal. Nunca, nunca. Letter ñ, ñ. It's similar to the English ny, like in canyon, but it's more nasal. Ñ. And it's similar to the Arabic ni, niño, niño, año, año. Letter P, P. In Arabic, there is not a letter similar to the P in Spanish. It can sound like the ba, but our lips pop, pop, pan, pan, poco, poco. Can you see the difference? P, B, P, B. Letter Q. Always like English K in key, similar to the letter kaf in Arabic. Always followed by UE or UI. Queso, queso. Quizás, quizás. R, R. We have the single one and the double one. The single R sounds like R when it's at the start of a word, like rojo, rojo. It's strong. Rojo, ratón, ratón. But when it's between vowels, it's softer. It's like a soft flap, like American English TT in butter, similar to the Arabic ra, caro, caro, pero, pero. If this is a double R, this is a strong trill made by vibrating your tongue. So you need more air. Your tongue is at the front and we push the air so it can vibrate. There's not equivalent in English, and it's similar to a strong rolled ra in Arabic. Perro, perro, carro, carro. Can you distinguish them? Caro, carro. Pero, perro. Letter S, like English S in sun, similar to Arabic sin. Sol, sol. Sapo, sapo. Letter T, T, like English T in top, but it's drier. We don't say t, t, but t, t. It's softer and dental. The tongue touches the teeth, t, t, similar to the Arabic letter ta, tarde, tarde, todo, todo. Letter V, V. Pronounced like the B in Spanish. There is no difference. B, B. And it's similar to Arabic letter Ba. Vino, vino. Vivir, vivir. Bolivia, Bolivia. Double B or double V. Like in English, W in water. Similar to the Arabic wow. Whiskey, windsurf. Letter X, X. Usually like the KS in box. Similar to the Arabic taxi, taxi. Examen, examen. In some words of indigenous origin, like in Mexico, the X is pronounced like the J. So, like in Mexico, Mexico. Letter Y or Y. Y, like the English Y or J, but softer. It's similar to the Arabic Ya or Jim. Yo, yo. In some regions, it sounds like sho, as in Argentina or Uruguay. Ayer, ayer. Finally, letter Z, Z. In Latin America, like English S, and C, similar to the Arabic sin. Zapato, zapato. Zona, zona. In Spain, like the TH in English, think, similar to the Arabic tha, zapato, zona. Thank you for staying till the end, and now subscribe, like, and share this video.